Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a YouTube video slider in WordPress. As you can see here, the YouTube videos are displayed in a carousel style. You can add unlimited videos. I have also made the section for YouTube Shorts in a carousel as well. When you click on any video, it will start playing right away. And if you want to watch it directly on YouTube, just click this option and it will take you straight to YouTube. Now let's make this. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. We are going to add two free plugins that will make this work very smoothly. So just add a new plugin and search for Custom Post Type UI. What this plugin does is simple. It allows us to create custom post types, which means instead of just using normal post or pages, we can create our own type of content. In our case, we will create one called slider. This way, all of our slider items will be separated and easy to manage, just like post but dedicated for the slider only. Next, we need another plugin called Advanced Custom Field or ACF. So again, search for ACF and install it. Now what this plugin does is, it gives us extra field. For example, if you want to add a title, description, image or button link to each slide, ACF will let us add those fields to our slide post type. Without this, we will be limited to just the title and content box. So now we have both plugins. Just activate that plugins. Now you will notice that a new option called CPT UI has appeared in the dashboard menu. Let's click on it and choose Add Post Type. Here you will see a few fields to fill out. Don't worry, it's very simple. The most important one is the post type slug. This is basically the ID of your custom post type and it shows always be in a lowercase and no spaces. For example, I am creating a slider for YouTube videos, so I will just write videos as the slug. Then give it a plural label like videos and a singular label like video. That's it. Now click on the Add Post Type button and you will see a new option called videos appear in the dashboard menu. This is where we will add all our video slider later. Now let's move on the second plugin we installed, ACF. As I explained before, CPT UI only creates the post type, but ACF let us add extra fields to it. For example, right now if you click add new video, you will only see the normal WordPress editor. But we don't want to paste full content there. We just want to add a YouTube link. That's where ACF helps. So go to the ACF menu in the dashboard and click on the field group. Then click add new to create a new group of field. Give your field group a name like YouTube video. Now inside this group, you have to add a field. There is already created a one field, so I will just edit them. Since I want to display YouTube videos, I need a way to embed them properly. For that, ACF has a special field type called Embed. So I choose a field type Embed because it automatically takes a YouTube link and convert it into a embedded video. That means when someone pastes a YouTube URL in this field, it will instantly turn into a playable video on the website. So I will select Embed as the field type, give it a label and save the field group. Finally, I need to tell ACF where the field group should appear. So under location rule, I will choose videos. Now click save. That means whenever we create or edit a video post, this custom field for the YouTube URL will be available. Now that the technical setup is done, the backend system is ready. Next we need to add a content and make the front end look nice. To add a video, go to the new video post type we created with CPT. In WordPress dashboard menu, look for the option called My Video or whatever name you gave it. Here it is. Click on it. Now from here you can add all your videos. Click on add new. Enter your video title here. Scroll down and you will see the URL field we created using ACF, Advanced Custom Field. You can paste your YouTube video URL in that field. After pasting, the video will appear and be displayed. Repeat these same steps for all the videos you want to show. Once done, all your videos will be edited and ready to display on the site. Now it's time to actually display these videos dynamically on the slider. For this, we will use Elementor. So go to your dashboard, click on Template, and then go to the Theme Builder. From here, you will see an option called Loop Item. This feature is available in Elementor Pro, which I am using. If you don't have Elementor Pro, don't worry, you can install a free plugin that adds loop functionality and activate it. Once you do, the loop widget will also be available to you. Since I already have Elementor Pro, I will use the built-in loop item. I have actually created a loop before but forgot to record it, so I will just edit the same one and show you how to do it. Inside the loop template, you can drag in a video widget. I already have it edited, but let me show you how it works step by step. Drag the video widget into your loop item. Click on the widget and set the source to YouTube. Now in the link option, we don't want to paste a static URL because we want the video to load dynamically. So here, click on the dynamic tags icon. From the list, choose ACF field. Click on ACF field again and under key, select the field we created earlier for YouTube URL. So click on YouTube URL. What this means is, instead of you manually pasting a video link every time, Elementor will now fetch the URL directly from the ACF field we created for each post. That's how the video will display automatically based on the content you add. Now before saving, there's one important step. Go to the settings. Click on Preview Settings. From here, select the post type you created with CPT. In my case, it's video. And from here, you can choose all. Then click Apply and Preview. This lets Elementor know what data to pull in while you are designing. Once you are happy with the layout, click Save. And that's it, your loop template is ready and it will dynamically display your videos in the slider. Now go to the page where you want to add the slider. Add a new section here and search for the loop carousel widget. Here it is, just drop that widget in this section. Now in the layout setting of the loop widget, you can choose your template you created early in the loop. Basically, this means we are telling Elementor to display our custom designs for each post, so it automatically repeats for all the videos. Next, go to the query settings. From the source, select your custom post type. So our custom post type is videos, so just select videos. Now Elementor will automatically pull all the videos you have added with CPT and ACF. And that's it. Your videos will now show up in the slider. From here you can design it however you like. Adjust the layout, styling and navigation to match your site designs. This is the simple way to add a custom video slider, and the best part is you can use the same method to create sliders for YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Instagram Reels or any custom video type. So that's how it's done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.